Now, where did I put my guitar? Thanks. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School, and today I am teaching my intermediate guitar players how to play Manic Depression by Jimi Hendrix. This one will be tuned down a half of a step, and if you looked and you were wondering, why is he teaching Jimi Hendrix not on a Strat? Well, my Strat's getting set up right now, so I figured I'd show it to you guys on this sweet Don Grosh electric jet. It's got P90 pickups, so it's kind of like a souped up Strat. So it's as good as I got today. I'm teaching this. Here we go. So like I said, it's a half step down, and I'm gonna break down each section. We're gonna leave out the solo for now because I just want to get you guys playing something fun, and this Jimi Hendrix. So you do know how to play down. You do need to know how to tune down a half a step to be able to pull this one off. So check out another half step down tuning lesson on my channel as well. So with that said, let's get started. Do me a favor, if you learned something from this video and you like it, please consider subscribing and liking. Follow the links in the description for a free strumming pattern course. It's the essential strumming patterns that you need to be able to strum through your favorite songs. And if you're a beginner and you're just trying to figure out what to do with the guitar, I have a beginner guitar essentials course that's down below. It's on a special right now, so check that out as well. Go subscribe to our newsletter. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Dang, that's a lot. Let's get started. Let's break down each section of this song. So the song is in a 3/4 time signature. So if you've never played in that time signature, you'll get used to it. Just use your ear and feel it out. It's just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pretty simple. And then, like I said, just use your ear. So I'm going to break this down into 5 different sections, which I'll call A, B, C, D, and E. I'll tell you how many times to play each part in each section. So let's start with that intro. That's 5, 6, 7, index, middle, third on the 5th string, and I'm just doing down. So 5, 6, 7, rest, rest, rest. So that's a measure of rest after the first 5, 6, 7 on the 5th string. So it's 5, 6, 7, rest, 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 and then I go 5, 6, 7 on the 4th string. So 5, 6, 7, rest, rest, rest. And then right after that it goes 5th string open, and then you go 7, 5, 7, 5 4 times, and I go down on the 5th string and then down up on the 4th string when I go 7, 5, 7, 5. So from the beginning again, 5, 6, 7, rest, rest, rest. 6, 7 on the 4th string, and then 5th string open immediately. 5th string open, and then 7, 5, 7, 5 open. 7, 5, 7, 5 open. That's the intro each time. I'll play it again. Rest, rest, rest. So then you go to the verse, all right? So let's take a look at that verse. You got open on the 5th string, 4 on the 5th string, 2 on the 4th. So just like that. So open on the 5th string, 4th on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string. So boom, boom, boom. 3rd fret, 6th string, and then I slide my ring finger, these are all down strums, from 5 up to 7. So 3, slide to 7 from 5. And then I go 5th string, 5th fret, and then I go 5, 6, 7. So that's the first 3 measures. I'll play it again. 0, 4 on the 5th, 2 on the 4th, 3 on the 6th, 5 on my 3rd finger, but it slides to quick. You're not hanging out there. It's 3, 5, slide to 7, 5 on the 5th, and then 5, 6, 7 on the 5th. And then you do that same open 7, 5, 7, 5 thing. 0, 7, 5, 7, 5. And then that section repeats. So you do the A section once, is the intro, and then the B section verse 2 times. So I'll play it again. 0, 4, 2, 3, 5, slide to 7 immediately, 5 on the 5th, 5, 6, 7, open on the 5th, 7, 5, 7, 5, opens. Just like that. All right, I'll play it a little faster now. 0. All right, so that's A section and then the B section, and then you got section C. All right, kind of similar to the B section. All right, you're gonna go 0, 4 on the 6th string, 2 on the 5th string. All right, and then you go 3, 5, slide to 7 again. All right, and then you go 5 on the 5th string, and then I switch that index finger to my 3rd finger. So I'll play that much again. So 0, 4 on the 6th, 2 on the 5th, 3 on the 6th string, 5 straight into 7 on a slide, 5 on the 5th string, dang it. And then I switch to this 3rd finger and I go, just like that. And then I do a kind of a offbeat thing there. So it's 0, 4, 2, 3, 5 into 7, 5, 5, and then and 3 and that's 3, 5, 3, 5. All right. So after you do the 3, 7, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, and then you go 2, 3, 2, just like that. All right, so that's that first 4 measures of it. I'm gonna do it again because it's a little confusing. So 0, 4 on the 6th, 2 on the 5th, 3, 5 into 7 on the 6th with a slide, 5 on the 5th, 5 with the 3rd finger just to get yourself in position for the next part, and then you go 3, 5, 3 with a down, up, down, and then you go 5, 2, 3, 2 with a down, up, down, and then you go 2 times. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. So that 3, 2, 3, 2 is on the 5th, and then 3, 2 on the 6th, and then you do 3 more of those. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and then 0, 4 on the 5th, 2nd fret 4th, 3 on the 6th, 5 slide into 7, 5. All right, that's the section C. So that's a lot going on there. I'm going to play it again and really slowly because I know that's a little confusing. So 0, 4, 2, 3, 5 into 7, 5. Switch to the 3rd, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Stretch back, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 6th string, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. And then 0, 4, 2, 3, 5 into 7, 5. And then you're right back into the A section. So at that point, you'd go right back into the A section. But I'm going to play C again because I know it's a little weird. It was weird for me when I learned it years ago. So I know it's a weird little part. So 0, 4, 2, 3, 5, slide to 7, 5. Switch to the 3rd finger on that same 5th fret. 3, 5, 3, 5. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 3, 2 on the 6th. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and then 0, 4, 2, 3, 5, slide to 7, 5, and then A section 5, 6, 7, rest, 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 6, 7, back into 7, 5, 7, 5, just like that, and then you're back into section B. And I mean, we've covered like 90% of the parts right now, so let's go back to section C and just kind of make sure you've got a great idea on it. So section C, I'll play it up to speed one more time. So section C was kind of like the chorus, all right? So 0, 4, 2, 3. I'm back into section A. Just like that, all right? So that takes you do basically the A section, which is the intro, B section twice, and then section C, which is the chorus, right? And then you do that whole thing again. A again, B twice, section C, and then you've got what I'm going to call like an instrumental, and that's section D, all right? And that just goes, you already know the part. We're just going to kind of switch it up. It goes 5, 6, 7, rest, rest, rest. 5, 6, 7, rest, rest, rest. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And then you go into kind of an open kind of vamp thing. And I just go like, I think the best thing to do, especially for an intermediate level guitar player, is to not even worry about the solo, because they're kind of crazy weird until you're really ready for those on the Hendrix stuff. So I would just go like this. And the whole time the solo's happening, it's this weird psychedelic kind of thing. So that's just literally, you already know that part as well. So that's like 5th string open, 7, 5, 7, 5, 5th, 7, 5, 7, 5, 1, 2, and 3. And you gotta follow that down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. All right. And then you just do that. I think it's a total of 8 times for the solo. And then you go back into section B, which was this 5th string, 0, 4, 2. And there's a little bit of a solo there as well. All right, so that's 2 times through that. And then you go to section C, all right, which is this. We already did this part. Just like that. And then you go to section C, which is, you've already done this part as well. Right? You just do that once, and then you go to section E, which is just this piece repeated over and over again until the end of the song. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you go. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, until it like kind of fades out into the crazy psychedelic song that it is. So, just as a recap, section A is this. And then 5, 0, 7, 5, 7, 5. And then 0. And section B is this. Sorry. Well, wrong bit there, but you get the idea. And then section C is this. Back to section A. All right. So that is all the information that you need to be able to play Manic Depression by Jimi Hendrix. So all the rhythm parts, there you go. Work on those, get that 3/4 timing down, and then once you feel better about it, maybe we'll talk about doing a video on the solo as well. If you get it down and you want the solo, drop a comment below, and if I get enough of those comments, I'll make that lesson. You guys have a good day.